Wondered how I made this ice cream? I made this ice cream with just the few ingredients that I have in my kitchen. So anytime your children is craving for ice cream and you're like, oh, I'm gonna make magic it, and voila, you make it. So it's just 4 simple ingredients that everyone has at home. I have the butter, sugar, milk, and bicarbonate soda. First of all, we'll start by mixing our milk. Mix it very well so that there will be no lumps in it. Then you add your sugar and cook. So allow the fire not to be too much. Let it just be on a medium heat, and please don't put too much water so that it won't cook for a very long time. Like before it thickens, it will take time. So for the baking soda, I added it to make it thicken. We're trying to make our own homemade condensed milk. Yes, so when after cooking it with the sugar, adding that condensed milk will give it that butter color. Yes, that butter color. So this is it. You seeing how it thickens, and look at our homemade condensed milk ready to be used. So we'll have to set this aside and do the second part. The second part is we're adding another 1 cup of milk to our pot. Then we'll mix. Make sure there is no lump. We'll turn it mix it very well. After mixing it, you add in your butter. Here I'm using my drink, so if you have butter, you can as well use. So here I'm using my drink. So it has to melt until the butter is completely melted inside the milk. This is how it looks. Isn't it beautiful? Guys, if you have watched up to this extent, my name is China Sapmati. Please kindly subscribe, drop your own comment, share this, someone else might need it, and don't forget to like. Okay, thank you so much for joining the family. Allow it to cool a bit. So mixing it here will allow it to cool off a bit. See, steaming hot before mixing it together. So after some minutes, it is cool a little bit. Then we mix together. Then you mix very well before adding it to your storage container for it to be put in the freezer to be blocked. Cover it, then freeze. Our homemade ice cream is ready. Can you see how it looks like? I don't know how much is this ice cream in your area if you're in Nigeria. Mine, this can be for like 7 to 8k. Yes, and look at how it is. I hope you try it, and don't forget to drop a comment, like this video, and share it. See you in my next video. Bye.